When it comes to strategy, it's not just about allocating productive resources to achieve operational objectives and key competitive priorities. It also covers the strategic allocation of our limited improvement resources, also money, time, key people, managerial attention, etc. The ability to improve operationally is a key competitive advantage in itself. As strategy means setting big-picture long-term vision and direction, then, when it comes to operations improvement strategy, it means choosing how much and what type of improvement resources we want to invest in, and how to allocate them over the long term to deliver specific future high-level capabilities and results. Improvement is linked to new technology and machines, but that should be typically considered as investment, whereas operations improvement is about improving what you can do with what you have, delivering more quality, output, faster delivery times, etc., for the same or lower inputs and costs. Key operational improvement strategic choices will include which areas to focus on, perhaps a critical production process, or improving the ability to adapt operationally to the frequently changing product designs, or improving the workforce training systems. We might like all of them, but choosing to focus on everything is not a strategy. There are different types of improvements that we can strategically choose to focus on. For example, maybe we focus on big process R&D changes that could potentially deliver a revolutionary increase in productivity, or instead on high-frequency, continuous improvements to quality. Aiming for these different types of improvements have very different risk-reward profiles, require different types of skills and team organisation, and so have to be deliberately and strategically chosen. Other aspects of strategic operations improvement include recruitment and training, developing an improvement culture, developing effective systems for change, and performance management. Only now should we start considering the range of improvement methodologies, philosophies: Lean, Six Sigma, Total Quality Management, Theory of Constraints, Kaizen, Business Process Reengineering, ISO 9000, Total Productive Maintenance. Many can complement each other, and many may be better suited to different situations, but as wonderful as many of them are, choosing the methodology is for after the earlier phases have been done. As always, operations strategy is never quite the linear process we might wish for. Such strategic planning will form part of the two-way budgeting process of budget availability and budget requirements, often with many back-and-forth negotiated iterations. Just like all aspects of operations strategy, these choices must be made with consideration of current capabilities, the overall long-term organizational and operations strategy, market needs, and the changing competitive environment. And with an ever more competitive market and faster rate of change, the process of strategic planning for operational improvement forces us to consider if our strategy is sufficient to just hopefully remain competitive in the long term, or to develop a powerful market-leading advantage.